Hey! I hear me, about me.
How many times will they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not happening?
What's your problem? What's your problem? How much is this your tomato? What's your
Things say they wise.
Give me one fish. One fish. If you see mommy cry, never you run out. What the fun? What's your problem? Never you run away. What are you mad?
Hey! I hear me,
Are you mad? Do you know I am? You don't know me, you are blocking my way. Are you mad? What is your problem? Are you okay? You don't know I am. Ask everybody in this market. What is your problem? Get out of my way.
You will end up in my corner.
But you are very I said my guy is saying my ring. Okay, I can see you are selling Gary.
You will hear of this.
This is not the Gary.
I'm in mass.
This one.
Now what you know?
They call this one. No.
Madam, help me with Gary. Gary, help me with 1 cup Gary. I'm in mass. I will deal with that. Madam, please help me with Gary. 1 cup of Gary. Oh, God will bless you, Gary. Help me with Gary.
You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it. You can never. You know you cannot make it.